The prison gates were nearly opened for Eugene de Kock in July this year. But he was told to wait at least 12 months before his application was reconsidered to allow the families of his victims to be consulted.
Clearly, the affected families were not consulted.
Just over 3 months later, the apartheid assassin is headed to court again this week. His lawyers adamant that the man known as Prime Evil be released after serving 20 years of his 212-year sentence.
De Kock, let's forget the politics, is entitled to, on the department's own guidelines, to parole. And he not only does he qualify for placement on parole, the National Council for Correctional Services has actually recommended his placement on parole.
In the 1980s and early 1990s, de Kock was in charge of the notorious police death squad at Vlakplaas. He was convicted for murder, culpable homicide, kidnapping and assault in relation to his activities as the unit's commander. And while some of his victims' families have forgiven him and want him released,
all of us believe that after our encounter with him, that he would truly be like an asset to the country, because he's already helping government with certain things. But I mean, it will also be like peeling off that bandage, you know, that final band-aid that we need to peel off as a country, that I believe at least.
Others believe he should never enjoy another day as a free man.
20 years out of 220 years. What is that? Maybe we should have waited for us to go, to die, because we don't want to debate this issue. I thought when the judgment was made, I said, fine, he'll only consider it when you're dead, we're all gone.
The matter is due to be heard in the North Gauteng High Court on the 20th of November. Nicolaas Bauer, Johannesburg.